Welcome back to Serenity Mastery. Today, I'm sharing a simple yet life-changing daily ritual, the morning mirror method. This powerful 5-minute practice will help you start your day with confidence, gratitude, and clarity. Imagine setting the tone for your entire day with just a few moments in front of your mirror. Let's dive in. First, find a quiet space where you can stand comfortably in front of a mirror. Take a few deep breaths to ground yourself and let go of any tension or distractions. Feel yourself becoming present in the moment. Next, begin with gratitude affirmations. Repeat them as you feel the gratitude grow within you. Look yourself in the eyes and say, "I am grateful for this new day and the opportunities it brings." I am thankful for the abundance of love and opportunities around me. I am grateful for my body and mind that carry me through each day. I appreciate the small joys that bring light into my life. Then, move to self-love affirmations. I am enough. I am worthy of love and success. I embrace who I am with kindness and compassion. I am proud of the progress I am making every single day. I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Speak these words with conviction, even if they feel unfamiliar at first. Finally, declare your goals with purpose. I am capable of achieving my dreams with focus and determination. I am confident in my ability to overcome challenges. I am attracting opportunities that align with my dreams. I am taking inspired action toward my goals every day. Let these affirmations sink in as you envision the amazing day ahead. Now, take a moment to visualize. Picture yourself as your best version, confident, calm, and unstoppable. See yourself achieving your goals and embracing opportunities. Hold that image in your mind as you smile at yourself. Smiling reinforces positivity and strengthens your connection to these affirmations. That's it. This simple practice can shift your mindset and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Consistency is key, so try this for the next 7 days and notice the difference it makes. I'd love to hear how it works for you, so share your experience in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's make every day a masterpiece together.